Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to do base encode or decode in your JMeter. So first open your JMeter and if you don't have plugin manager, install a plugin manager. If you don't have plugin manager already installed, then restart your JMeter. Go to the plugin manager and search for the custom functions. So I have already installed this, so but that is the reason why it was showing in custom installed functions, custom JMeter functions. So once you install it, click apply changes and restart. Once it has restarted, go to the tools. So uh, go to the tools, and you will have the function helper dialog. Go to the function helper dialog and go to the drop down. So you will have the base 64 and decode and encode. So select the value what you want to encode. So as just I'm giving name task incomplete, task incomplete just to encode. So when you click on that, uh, it will click generate. So the value is generated. So you can copy this value and paste it in any of your requests. So currently I'm using a dummy sampler. Dummy sampler. Okay. So I'm sending the value here. So instead of just task incomplete, you can parameterize the values, and still you can use another functions that wants to, after executing some other function, and you want to encode it. Let's say example, one of our subscribers asked that in one of our comments, like he wants to uh, do HTML encode and you want to encode the value. So for that, what we need to do is, like, first we need to HTML encode, HTML URL encode, basically URL encode. We have an URL encode functions here. URL encode. So URL encode, I'm giving the value task incomplete. Task incomplete. So this is the value what they are getting now. So if you copy this, okay, already copy this, close this, and paste this. So copy this value, cut it, and paste in instead of the value of where you are sending. And if you want to change the value of task incomplete, you can do parameterization as per your requirement by using properties or this thing. So now what we are doing is we are taking the value and we are doing the URL encode, and then we are doing the base 64. So if you see this, so we are adding URLs here and running this. Now if you see that we have values encoded. So thanks for listening, friends.